What up, guys? Here I am on the Arsenal barbell shoulder press. At first glance, this looks like your typical shoulder press machine. Couple key features that I'd like to point out is I really like this platform on the back for your training partner to spot you rather than them needing to lift up. It's a lot safer and easier for them to just pop it up and lift from behind. Another thing that I'd like to point out is that because this is on a hinge, it's also a lot more advantageous for your shoulder. What I mean by that is in most gyms, when you are pressing, you're lifting up from the back. The nice thing about this is because this is on a hinge, I can just pull forward, press up, and then I'm there. One of my keys that I'm looking for on shoulder press is I want to keep a right angle with my shoulders and I'm going even with my nose or chin. If you're going down too far, this is not good for your rotator cuff. So when I'm coming up, I'm keeping it here, right angle, exploding up. And that is why I like this Arsenal barbell shoulder press.